Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. I'm your host EP3. Now today I will take you all to adventure with me into the biotech world to know about the food safety and the food poisoning. Let's go! Being smart in handling food safety can do a lot to help prevent exposure to the two main causes of common food poisoning agent, which is viruses and bacteria. There are few things that we can do at the grocery. Only buy pasteurized dairy products and juices. We check the sell-by date. Use plastic bag for the raw meat and poultry and keep them separate from other groceries. So guys, in our society, people in the age of 18 until 25 may not understand about what is the importance of the food safety. Basically, food safety is about the importance of staying healthy. By handling of food safety, we can first keep the food freshness and at its best nutritionist. 2. Reduce the food waste and the money wasting. 3. Help in preventing the foodborne illness, which also be known as a food poisoning. The food poisoning will lead us to miss a school, miss work, and third, give us a serious health consequences and even can cause death. That's why we need to know about this food poisoning. So we must minimize the risk of the food poisoning, especially to the high-risk person such as a pregnant woman, young children, older adult, people with a compromised immune system, and also for the people that have a chronic disease. So guys, the food safety begins with the healthy habits. We can avoid eating risky food like undercooked hamburger or meat, raw egg, dough and batter, raw fish, shellfish and oyster. So why the food safety is very important to us? This is because we as a human really need food. Food is love. Food is a culture. Food is a celebration. Food is our passion. Food is also our hobby. And with food, we can show others that we care of them. We must make sure everybody understand about their importance in handling of food safety. They must know their role to play in ensuring the food safety. So now I will give you 4 steps in handling the food safety, which is clean, separate, cook, and chill.
Foodborne illness or food poison has a wide range of symptoms, and almost food poison don't present the right way, and it often takes about 24 hours to 48 hours after eating the contaminated food. That's why we all should know and understand that everyone has a role to play and ensure food safety. For example, like farmers, food companies, retailer, transporter, consumer and also government. Recently, our DG Ministry of Health, Dr. Nur Hisham Abdullah, in his press conference of COVID-19, he said that KKM was received of 53 episodes that involved of 1,995 cases of food poisoning that occurred during Hari Raya Aidilfitri last year in 2019. So KKM was asked people to practice the 5 key of food safety. So what is the 5 key of food safety? Firstly, you have to wash your hand often with cool water or warm water and also with soap for at least 20 seconds, and before and after handling pet, after using the bathroom and also changing diapers. Okay, the second key is cleaning the fruit and vegetables. Cleaning fruit and vegetable is important to remove all the soil that remain on the surface of the produce. But there are a variety of other reasons to cleaning the fruit and vegetable, like bacteria, virus, parasite that are remain on the surface of the produce. So make sure rinse all the vegetable and fruit thoroughly under the cool or warm water. Next is cleaning your cutting board or another surface that will be used for preparing your meat, poultry, seafood or egg, and also the food that won't be cooked like vegetable like salad, so that you not contaminate the other food. Or either you can use the different cutting board. The third key of food safety is separate the raw meats from other groceries to avoid from the cross-contamination. And lastly, the 5 key of food safety is we have to cook our food properly and keep the food 3 hours in the refrigerator in a suitable temperature and not exceed for 3 days in refrigerator. So remember, food safety is everyone's responsibility.
Hey guys, look at this. So delicious, right? But remember, this is not mukbang or SMR. Today, I have cooked the roasted chicken. But before I eat this, I want to share something interesting information to you guys. Firstly, we must cook raw meat with high temperature for us to eat safely. Second, most bacteria thrive in temperature between 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4.4 degrees Celsius up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius, of what the United States of Department of Agriculture refers to as danger zone. This is when the bacteria multiply by 2 every 20 minutes. Third, some germs, known as thermophilic bacteria, grow in very hot temperature, which is 250 Fahrenheit, which is 121 degrees Celsius. However, most bacteria and viruses that are pathogenic to humans can be killed through a heat of 165 Fahrenheit, which is 74 degrees Celsius or even higher, within minutes of cooking. Besides that, according to the New York Department of Food, heating food breaks the structure of germs, which makes them unable to function. It kills most foodborne bacteria and viruses like Salmonella. Okay, when cooking food, it is important to ensure it is heated properly all the way through, or what is called an internal temperature, which you can determine using food thermometer.
Alhamdulillah, I'm very full now. So, this leftover, I want to store or chill in the refrigerator. But we must remember, we must reheat this first before store it. After we reheat this, we must cool it in the room temperature first before we store it in the refrigerator. But we must remember that this leftover must be stored properly within 2 hours of cooking by placing it in a small container in the fridge to allow optimal cooling and prevent bacteria from growing. Let's chill this leftover of roasted chicken in the refrigerator. Done!
So the food poisoning is caused by eating a contaminated food, but it's not usually serious because most people get better within a few days. The symptom of food poisoning usually begins after 1 or 2 days after we eat contaminated food, although it will start at any point between a few hours and a week later. The main symptoms include feeling sick, feeling nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, stomach cramp, lack of energy, we feel very weak, we loss of appetite, and we may have a fever. Most people with the food poisoning will recover at home and doesn't need any special treatment, although there are some situations where you should see a doctor. But until you feel better, you should rest and drink some fluids to prevent dehydration. Try to drink a lot of water. So how the food is contaminated? They might be along of the process of the food making itself. For example, not cooking thoroughly, not correctly in storing the food. That's why we need to know about the food safety. The food safety is used as a scientific discipline describing the handling, the preparation, and also the storing of the food in ways to stop the foodborne illness. Okay guys, so I hope this video is very useful for you guys to know better about the food poisoning, about the food handling, and how you want to stay healthy. So for you guys that have not subscribed my channel, go subscribe now and give a like to my video. And thanks to my friends helping me in creating this video. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Go Biotech!
Spotlight, moonlight, get white, tripping, get you right. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight, get white, tripping, get you right.